Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a typical question involving functions with exponential growth on the ACT math test. Here's an example. A population of bacteria in a laboratory can be modeled by the equation f of x equals 30 times 2 to the power of x, where x represents the number of hours after the experiment started. For instance, x equals 0 corresponds to the beginning of the experiment. According to the model, what will be the population of bacteria after 6 hours? Well, 6 hours means that we should put x equals 6 into our equation to get f of 6 equals 30 times 2 to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 6 gives us 64. 30 times 64 will be 1920, and that's it. The answer is D. Great. Of course, you can use your calculator, but you could save time if you practice to get good at doing mental calculation. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to solve other problems from the ACT math test. If you have questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.